Account and billing. The account and billing page gives you a complete financial overview of your TableReserve account. In the current subscription section, you can instantly check your active plan, your monthly cost, and your next scheduled billing date. It's designed to keep you fully informed about your recurring expenses. Need to make changes? The main controls are right here. You can click Upgrade Plan to change your service tier, or Manage Payment Method to securely update your credit card details via our payment portal. You also have full control to cancel your subscription at any time if needed. Below that is your payment history. This provides a transparent audit trail of every transaction. For your accounting records, you can download official receipts and invoices for every past payment by simply clicking the Invoice button in the Actions column. On the right, the Billing Information panel confirms your current billing cycle and auto-renewal status. And rest assured, all sensitive financial data is handled with bank-level security. TableReserve uses Stripe for encrypted payment processing, ensuring your information never touches our servers directly. With account and billing, managing your restaurant subscription is simple, transparent, and secure. Thanks for joining TableReserve.